Welcome to DMC's Media, Skills for the Real World. This is your channel for practical training, tutorials, and knowledge that prepares you for real job sites. Today, we're focusing on one of the most important and commonly used pieces of equipment in warehouses, distribution centers, and construction sites: the forklift. By the end of this video, you'll understand forklift safety, operating controls, environmental hazards, and the importance of safe operations in closed spaces. Stick around until the end for a quiz yourself test to check your knowledge. 1. Understanding the forklift. 1 minute. A forklift is a powered industrial truck designed to lift, carry, and move heavy loads. Unlike cars, forklifts have a rear-wheel steering system, making them more maneuverable, but also trickier to control. They are vital for efficiency, but when misused, they can cause serious accidents. 1. Forklift safety basics, 3 minutes. A. Personal protective equipment, PPE. Always wear hard hats, high visibility vests, steel toe boots, and gloves. A seat belt is mandatory. It's your first line of protection. B. Pre-operation inspection. Check tires for damage. Inspect forks for cracks or bends. Test horn, lights, and backup alarms. Check hydraulic fluid, oil, and battery levels. Ensure the overhead guard and load backrest are intact. C. General safety rules. Never operate under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Keep arms, legs, and head inside the forklift at all times. Do not exceed the forklift's load capacity. 1. Operating controls. 3 minutes. A. Key controls. Steering wheel. Controls rear wheels for sharp turns, accelerator and brake, similar to a car but with higher sensitivity. Directional control, lever, forward, neutral, and reverse. Hydraulic lift controls, raise, lower, and tilt the forks. B. Lifting and transporting loads. Approach the load slowly and squarely. Insert forks fully under the load. Tilt the mast back slightly to secure. Lift only enough to clear the ground. Keep load low while traveling. C. Parking the forklift. Lower forks to the ground. Set parking brake. Neutralize controls. Turn off the ignition. 1. Environmental hazards, 3 minutes. A. Common hazards: uneven or sloped surfaces, risk of tipping over. Obstructed pathways, pedestrians and other equipment. Poor lighting, increases risk of collisions. Noise, can reduce awareness of surroundings. B. Indoor hazards: carbon monoxide buildup from fuel-powered forklifts. Slippery or cluttered floors. Narrow aisles requiring precise maneuvering. C. Outdoor hazards: weather conditions such as rain, snow, or mud. Uneven ground or potholes. Blind corners or congested work zones. 1. Safe operations in close spaces. 3 minutes. Slow down when operating in tight areas. Sound your horn at intersections or blind spots. Keep 3 feet clearance from walls, racking, or other equipment. Always yield to pedestrians. People first, machines second. Plan your route in advance and never attempt sharp turns with elevated loads. 1. Quiz yourself test, 2 minutes. Let's test your knowledge. Answer these questions out loud or write them down. Why is rear-wheel steering on a forklift both useful and risky? What should you always do before operating a forklift? Why should loads be kept low while traveling? Name 2 environmental hazards indoors and 2 outdoors. In close spaces, what's the best way to reduce accidents? Pause a few seconds after each question for viewers to think, then briefly give answers. Answers: it allows sharp turns but makes rear-end swing dangerous. Conduct a pre-operation inspection to maintain stability and visibility. Indoors, poor lighting, slippery floors. Outdoors, uneven ground, bad weather. Slow speed, horn at blind spots. Maintain clearances. You've just learned the essentials of forklift operation, from safety checks to environmental hazards and close space maneuvering. Remember, forklifts are powerful tools, but with power comes responsibility. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DMC's Media, Skills for the Real World, for more training that prepares you for real job sites. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.